Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. I have no idea where I'm at, but I'm in Oklahoma, just outside of Tulsa, but we have a BNSF train coming. Let's check it out. Oh, I tried to get a different angle, but of course the sun's still rising, so that was a bad view. And as I turned the camera around, the train ended. That was about 114 cars. Also with the red bonnet, that was pretty cool. So I think that's going to do it from I'm not sure where I'm at, Oklahoma. And on that note, traveler saying, see you by the rails.